welcome to week 5 of the build. Okay guys, it's day 21 and the beginning of my week 5 series, and I'm starting on a bit of a somber note, even though I left the last video on the same miserable note. We had a break-in, and today was just the day we found out, so I will show you what has been going on up here. So we have had both of these steels put in. So this one is the one for the sliding doors. So if you see, that's how big the sliding doors are. It's meant to be 5 meters, but I think we measured and it is a little bit smaller, but that's fine. So that's how big it'll be. I'm so excited for them. I can't believe it. Like, I can't even believe like someone like me is having like doors like that, but never mind. But you can see all the hard work. Like, these are not just normal bricks, they're like padstone-y bricks, and then all of that work up there. Some really good work going on today. And then over here, this is the genie lift. This is what lifts the steels up. So this is the biggest steel. The builder managed to get it down in weight, but originally it was like 640 kg or something ridiculous, and they've managed to reduce that down because he did say, hello, it's a bungalow. So that's all gone in today. And then inside they have just propped up this. I think this is the beginning of the ridge. No, hang on, I keep getting it wrong. The floor joists. I think this is the beginning of the floor joist. So I don't know where that goes. It doesn't look like it's fastened or anything, but I think they're getting ready to do all of that as well. So we've still got, so you can see the steel beam up there. There'll be another 2 steel beams off there and attaching up there, if you can see. So yeah, that's what happened today. And yeah, nothing at this end of the house, unfortunately, just a theft, which is really, really upsetting. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and install this now. Time's going really quick, and as you can see behind me, the steel beam for the extension doors is done. So let me flip you around and show you what's been happening on day 22. And this is what happened. So I'm pretty sure the extension is kind of like finished now, because the officer is going to come on Monday and check out the steels and sign them off, the building officer from the council. But you can really kind of see now like how big the doors are going to be. I'm hoping to have like 3 panes of glass there that are that you can push that way and that way. So I'm thinking, like, for everyday use I might want to push them this way in the kitchen, but when the sun shines, it shines into this corner, so it'd be nice to have them like that way in the summer when we're sitting by here in the dining room. So yeah, this is the extension. Honestly, it feels massive. Let me just see. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 steps. It's ridiculous. But yeah, so the steels, are getting signed off on Monday, so they'll come and have a look at all of this. And then in here, they've been busy putting up the other steels, which, to be fair, I feel like these steels are ridiculous. It is just literally a bungalow. But yeah, we've got the 2 steels going into the main steel out there and onto that one there. And I've noticed that they are also putting up timbers inside the steels, because they're going to be putting up the floor joists, which I think I showed you in last week's episode. They are all there under the tarpaulin. Yeah, all the floor joists are going to be going in, and then once the floor joists are going in, correct me if I'm wrong, not that anybody's watching this, but I think once the floor joists are going in, the roof will come off, I think. So yeah, so I think the roof will come off then. So wish us luck. Like, let's just hope that the Welsh weather just stays dry, because obviously we've still got the bathroom here, so if it rains and stuff when the roof's off, it's just not going to be fun at all. I can just see things going wrong. So just got to hope that the weather stays good for us when the roof is off. And yeah, I think that's happening quite soon. So Okay, so they've been super busy in here. Like I said, it's all the carpentry now, so it requires a lot of skill going into it. They've got these wooden planks inside the steels, and they're fitted with these nut and bolts here. And then these metal things, these casings, I really don't know what they're called, sorry for my terrible lingo, but then the joists have got to go inside them. So according to our drawings, they've had to triple up here, double up there, and then go back to the singles. And I think it's because the dormers might be going over this. Like, to be honest, I have no idea. I'm totally guessing. I'll ask the builders tomorrow. So yeah, if I just go and have a look in the living room. So yeah, they're just working on them over this way, and they've done quite a few over there. So basically what's happened with the bathroom as well, if you can see that, that's the vent to our bathroom fan. And also just wanted to say thank you to Paulie the builder, who's fixed our shower for us, which has been broken for like 5 months. But they were in the bathroom quite a bit today because of the changes needed. Where the floor joists are going over our spotlights, they are going to have to be amended slightly. So that's why they were in the bathroom, and he was able to fix our shower, and I'm going to have a shower tonight. I'm so excited. We've just been using like the handheld one for months, and it's been giving me spots because it's so like powerful and hot, that I've had to wash my face from a distance, and it's been driving me mad. So yeah, I'm so excited to have a shower tonight. But yeah, it's all getting on. Look at it, we nearly got a ceiling again. So the next steps is to just continue with the floor joists, and then they're going to board it up. So like the floor, so there'll be like OSB boards on the floor, like floorboards, and then the roof will come off, which is really exciting. Okay, so this is the end of day 26, and this is how the floor joists are currently looking over the extension. If you can see here, they've doubled up on the floor joists over here, so I've got a feeling maybe that's how wide our upstairs bedroom will be. Okay, and all these OSB boards turned up today, and I noticed that some of them are up there, so hopefully that's getting ready to be boarded, and then hopefully once that's done, then the roof can come off. I'm actually away next week for a little part of the week, so I might miss some action, but I'll try and get as much as I can done before I go. But yeah, like lots of OSBs here. And yeah, that's kind of like what this week's been all about, is sorting out the floor joists and yeah, trying to secure the house up a little bit more. So just to show you here as well, the stairs are going here, and they have already been ordered. They take 4 weeks, and that's like kind of like where you'll arrive upstairs. So yeah, loving that. It's really interesting to see like the space for the stairs get developed. And yeah, so that's what I've got for you today, and for this week actually. Hope you've enjoyed it. Yes, I think it's definitely coming along. We're going to start seeing some drastic changes when the roof comes off next week, so be sure to follow along for that. And yeah, let's just appreciate all the light coming through and the nice weather, and I will see you next week.